Hi guys, welcome to Titostutor Your Math Pedagogue. In today's video, we're going to learn about Roman numerals. The normal numbers that we all know is called the Hindu-Arabic numbers. But there are some numbers that we know as Roman numerals in math. Most times you see pages of the book marked in Roman numerals. Sometimes you see clocks marked in Roman numerals. So it's important that we learn our Roman numerals so we can read anything that is numbered in Roman numeral. The first thing we should know about Roman numerals is that there are only 7 key Roman numerals. All other numbers in Roman numerals are derived from these 7 keys. So let's look at the 7 keys in Roman numerals. So we see Roman numerals on my left and Hindu-Arabic numbers on my right. So Hindu-Arabic numbers are the numbers that we know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. Okay, so in Roman numerals, there are only 7 key numbers, which are I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. I want us to know that I in Hindu-Arabic numbers is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, and M is 1000. Now, some key Roman numerals can be repeated, but some can't. Among these 7 key Roman numerals that we have, not all of them can be repeated. Remember I said all numbers in Roman numerals are derived from these 7 key Roman numerals. By repeating, by adding, or by subtracting. We can only repeat a key Roman numeral 3 times, maximum. You can't repeat more than 3 times. You can repeat it twice and you can repeat 3 times, and that's it. You cannot repeat more than 3 times. Out of our 7 key Roman numerals, you can repeat only 4 out of them, and there are I, which is 1. You can repeat it twice to make 2. You can repeat it 3 times to make 3. You can repeat X 2 times to make 20 and 3 times to make 30. You can repeat C 2 times to make 200 and 3 times to make 300. You can repeat M 2 times to make 2000 and 3 times to make 3000. Now, let's go into the 4 key Roman numerals we can repeat. On my left is Roman numeral, and on my right is Hindu-Arabic numbers. I, 1, I, 2, I, 3, right? X, 10. XX means 10 plus 10, which is 20. XXX means 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is 30. C is 100, CC, 200. CCC, 300. M is 1000. 2 M's, which is MM, is 2000. MMM makes 3000. Let's go into writing numbers by subtraction. On my left is the normal numbers that we know, which is Hindu-Arabic numbers, and on my right is the Roman numeral. So we can write numbers by repeating. As soon as we repeat 3 times, we get to 4. So 1 is I, as I said. 2 is I. 3 is I. But 4 cannot be I. No, it can't. So you write 4 by subtraction. Go to the next key Roman numeral after 1, which is 5. Subtract 1 from it. We all know that 5 minus 1 is 4. And in Roman numerals, when you're forming a Roman numeral with subtraction, you write the smaller one first. So because it is 5 minus 1, the 1 comes first, which is I, and 5 is V. So 4 is IV. You wrote it, you formed it by subtraction. So the smaller Roman numeral comes first, which is IV. But if you formed it by addition, which we'll get into soon, you will write the bigger number first, which is V, before you add the smaller number which you added. So it will be VI. So VI is in 4, because 4 was formed from subtraction. So the smaller one, which is I, comes first, then V. All right, so to write 5, you know is already in a key Roman numeral, so 5 is V. Writing numbers by addition. 6 is the next number we're going to write, which is 5 plus 1. So we're doing Roman numeral formation by addition. So the bigger Roman numeral comes first, which is 5. So V comes first, then I. I is being added to V to make 6. So 6 is VI. 7 is 5 plus 2, which is VII. 8 is 5 plus 3, which is VIII. Now, to get 9, because you cannot repeat a Roman numeral more than 3 times. So to get 9, go to the next key Roman numeral after 5, which is 10x, and subtract 1 from it. Remember that when you're subtracting, the smaller one comes first. So I comes before x. That's why 9 is IX. 10 is our key Roman numeral, which is X. So now, here are our Indo-Arabic numbers and Roman numerals written from 1 to 10. So let's count 1 to 10 in Roman numerals this time around. Let's go. I, IV, V, VI, VII, VIII, IX, and X. So these are our key Roman numerals from 1 to 10. This is a little classwork I did with my students, and I would like us to do it together. And it says, write these numbers in Roman numerals. The first one was written in Indo-Arabic, which is 8. To write 8, you do 5 plus 3. Key Roman numeral is 5, and you add 3 to it. So it gives you VIII. So this is VIII, and is 8. To write 4, you subtract 1 from the key Roman numeral 5, which is V. That will give you subtraction. The smaller one comes first, and V. To get 6, you add 1 to 5. In addition, bigger number comes first. So V comes first, then I. 3, you can repeat I, which is 1, 3 times. So you have I. To get 7, you go V plus I. 5 plus 2, you start with your 5 because it's addition. I. To write 9 in Roman numeral is by subtraction. You subtract 1 from 10. Subtraction, the smaller one comes first. So you go IX. To write 2 in Roman numerals, you repeat I 2 times. So it goes I. 10 is a key Roman numeral. Just remember that it is X. Now, to write 30 in Roman numerals is to remember that 3 tens make 30. And in key Roman numeral, you can actually repeat X and you can repeat it 3 times. So for this, it is X, X, X. Now, the last one, 200. 200, you should know that the key Roman numeral 100 is C. And you can repeat it 2 times to give you 200. So 200 in Roman numeral is C, C. This is the end of this video teaching us about Roman numerals. If you've learned something, don't forget to like this video, comment the type of content you would love me to do, and share with anyone you may think will need this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.